Business owners in buy-side negotiations are those functional professionals who work on a day-to-day basis, both organisation-facing and often supplier-facing very closely. Because of this link internally and externally, they're often passionate about the end customer. They know very clearly what the customer is seeking, and they get very immediate feedback when the customer has concerns, complaints, or they're looking for things to be different. This is absolutely essential in buy-side negotiation. Not only can they communicate that passion to the supplier and make sure that the supplier is working on the things that are important to them, they're also able to think much more about the long-term business news. That sense of passion and communication brings a very important skill to the buy-side negotiations. When we're working with business owners in buy-side negotiation preparation, our observation is that business owners would benefit from thinking of ways to ensure that suppliers are much more closely accountable for meeting the customer's needs, that the supplier is very clear about what good looks like, and that there is a clear communication channel for the supplier to very quickly respond when those needs change. The business owners are that essential link in any buy-side negotiation to ensure that what's happening on the supply side reflects the needs not only of the category, but of the overall business. By working together, these functional professionals can prepare for an effective negotiation, provide a unique, solid, single face out to the supply base about our expectations, what it's like to do business with the buy side, and the opportunities and the passion for working with a team that is committed to effective supplier management. Being able to negotiate with colleagues is not always possible, but having the preparation time to work with all the many stakeholders that are involved in buying things for a business ensures that nothing's missed. We think about the commercial deal, we think about performance, we're focused on risk, and most importantly, we're thinking about the customer or the end user, what matters to them and how that might change, and how we're going to meet the needs of those changes given the supply landscape that we're working with. Happy negotiations.